So today's video is just a very quick one, talking to you about this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently Elgato released their low profile mic arm Pro, and previously I'd actually been using their original one low profile mic arm in my setup on a day-to-day basis. However, for the better part of half a year I'm going to say, I've been using this, the FiFine BM88. It comes in at a price point of £55, which is actually £30 cheaper than any of the solutions from Elgato. It comes in two colours, black or white, and obviously I had to go with the white one to match the rest of my setup. The mic arm comes with all the features that you expect from a product like this. The mount for the desk covers between 0.8 and 2.5 inches depth, which means that if you're a chunky boy, then it's hopefully going to cover it for you. There's also a full 360-degree coverage, and each arm is at the length of 11.5 inches, so in total with everything, it covers up to 27.5 inches horizontally. And you can tighten the arms by using a small Allen key, and on top of that as well, the mounting option for the microphone is very similar to that Elgato low-profile mic arm, with a clamp resting on a ball head, allowing you to position this in any way that you want. It even supports the heavier microphones such as the Shure SM7B, which I found on my original Elgato mic arm always was a bit flimsy. It never stayed exactly where I wanted it to be, and I had to continuously tighten it up. There are cable trays underneath each arm, however they have opted for a more cheaper option for sliding the panels on and off rather than magnets like some other competitors out there, which is easy enough to use, but I do have to say they are quite stubborn sometimes. So please be careful when sliding them on and off, as I have scuffed my fingers many a time when doing this, which can be a bit painful. And if I were FiFine, I'd be looking at seeing if I could replace this with an easier clipping system or magnets in the future, as this is only the really main downfall of the mic arm overall for me. But for now, apart from the cable trays, this is definitely the main microphone arm that I have in my main setup on a daily basis. So if you do fancy picking up yourself one for yourself, please check out the link in the description. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it chucks me a couple of pennies for nothing when you do purchase it from there. But anyways guys, that's all for me in this video. If you have one of these for yourself, let me know what you think about it in the comments below and how you would like FiFine to improve it in the future. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see ya!